Yo, hold on, Oliver. Just I wonder if everything alright with you and Diana. She good? Yeah, she's alright. She's not marrying that guy anymore, thank God. Never really liked him. But she's doing quite fine. My brother is here and they're spending a little time together. So she's okay. She also asked about you. She's wondering when you're coming over again. You haven't been over her house in a while. Yeah, she can be kind of a worrywart. What the fuck? I don't want to get in your business or anything, but you realize that she's pregnant, right? Yeah, she also married an Armand. What does that have to do with me? I don't really care. It's our business. Well, what if it's also your business? I mean, you guys were fooling around, right? Don't worry, I didn't tell anyone. But when you matched it out, I mean, could be your business. That's all I'm saying. Oh, you know what there wait for you. You know how to talk to him and stop me the boy out there wait. You're wicked in a marshal. You turn so. You turn bad man.
Didn't I make it clear that I don't want to talk to you anymore? What are you there here for? Why you coming watching me all the time for, Shane? Do yourself a favor and go back to your class, alright?
You know me can't understand. Why you don't want to talk to him for? What stop you? One of the best looking boy in high school want you and you avoid him?
First of all, it's nothing like that. We're just friends, alright? Why you even enough of yourself in this for Jamili?
My girl, we are trying to take for you that. I don't know you like the boy already. Me always see you stay upon him lunchtime, even though you not chat to him. I talk to the boy. I first never see Ocean in somebody before. Unless you know him in between them legs.
There you go right there, so you see? What you say? In between legs. Him just want to sleep with everybody. I'm not sleeping with nobody.
Oh, you didn't know say you're a virgin. Me didn't know say you're a virgin, you know. You're not for shame, girl. Especially nowadays. I'm surprised there's somebody in that school they're a virgin. Besides me.
You know, I'm not time for you and your foolishness. Later, Jamili.
What do you, girl? Love doesn't ask why. You love the boy. Stop it.
Oh, you're up. I didn't want to wake you, but I have to leave out now and go to the airport. I talked to your father. Him saying we'll be here about next month, so you don't have to worry about being alone for long. I love you, son. Don't worry, the taxi man will come for my bag. Later.
You're still working on that project for school. So you think you would have done already?
I'm used to doing woman outfit. Kinda difficult with a man one. Mommy, can't help me.
If I help you, all you learn to learn.
Mommy, is it wrong to cut somebody off because of them sexual life is? I mean, like, what them do, like how them go on a road, or how them treat people overall. I have this friend, like, him alright, but the way him treat woman, I don't really like it. I feel a way about it, but part of me kinda miss him.
When I say him treat woman, what him beat them, put them woman on them, disgrace them, what is it? Is he also treating you like that? You want to talk about something?
Him not deal with me no way. Him actually really nice to me. I don't like the way him always, like, him have a bag of
He's a
woman.
man who has a lot of woman. That's what you're saying. You don't like the fact that he has a lot of woman. Marsha, if he's young, I really don't see the issue with it. I honestly don't feel like people young age for taking anything serious. As long as he's not verbally or physically abusing anybody, I don't see the issue. Plus, I always tell you there's two sides to every story. And you don't know what somebody's going through in them life. You need to talk to people first before you just assume things. Me take that I read from you a little bit.
But mommy, him have multiple women. Isn't that bad?
You have proof of these multiple women, or you just quote basing everything off rumors? You don't know anything about this person's life, Marsha. Like I tell you already, you're young, and this person who you're talking about sound like he's young as well. Only for sit down and focus on school and stop think about the...
I do focus on school, mommy, and just other things I think about as well. Never mind, forget about it, alright? It's fine.
What the hell you doing here, eh? Oshin, I told you. Me and done. What you doing at my house?
What you want for though? Load you up so your husband can't hear everything we are talking about?
Let's go on the buff and talk, okay? And stop yelling. I don't want my neighbors to hear you. Why you at my house? What is your problem, eh? You look in trouble?
Why you never tell me say you're pregnant? Why you never tell me that? Is it mine?
Yeah, you yourself, both yours. You're a child. Stay in a child place. This is my husband's baby, okay? You need to go home. Go home.
Never, you don't want to say your husband couldn't breed you. The from when you had him there and you never have no picnic till now.
Like I said to you, this is my husband's baby. It is not yours. Go home, Oshin. Go to your yard. Go on home.
Put no waste man, you man. You don't try talk to Miguel, eh? You don't try takes up Miguel phone, youth. What your problem with me, youth? So you think you have some big man around you? You think you can just go around and chat to people, man? Stop takes up Miguel phone when I want to you. Or many Miss Mel looking there for me see your name.
My fault you get a banger.
What you just said to me? You know where people them come from. You know what them can do to you? Watch yourself in the one.
Oshin, the principal wants to see you. So is everybody woman you're trying to talk to now, Oshin?
Oh, so now you want to talk to me? No me exist to you, Marsha.
Excuse me?
You just jump in and you just jump on film side and not even hear my side of the story. Just like with the girl at the movie.
No, whatever. I don't have the time for you and your foolishness.
So, what do you mean, so So everybody just feel like they can just walk out of my life, so what do you mean, so? What do to you, Marsha? Can't deal with this shit no more, no man. Fucking thing with always my fault. I'm just tired of this shit, no man. Tired of it, no man. We're just frustrated, Marsha. We're just really frustrated, no man.
Listen, you just need to relax, okay? It's gonna be alright, Oshin. Just relax, alright? Don't bother worry about yourself. It's gonna be fine.
No one left me too late for dinner, but you dress up. I guess you go on the road, you go out with your woman or something. No, my brother's taking me out, man. I'm sorry, I should have texted you to let you know what's going on. Oh man, that cool man. Go and go do your thing. Just see that thing still on how to stay home. Alright, like when I look up on the road and I hit back on my yard.
Stranger, so old from when me not see you. I was beginning to think that you're vexed with me, Oshin. How are you?
Cool in one. Just things so under that day, so you know.
No, we don't plan for staying in, but Junior soon go back a foreign so if they want to spend good time with we before him leave. You can come if you want, you know.
No, I don't want to interrupt when look family outing.
Oh, so you're gonna go home and eat dinner with your mom?
No man, she's gonna back a foreign. She have to go back go work.
Oh, well, that make it better. You should come with her then. Come enjoy yourself. Let's go. Junior, this is Oshin, Oliver's friend from school. You can come?
Yeah man, that cool man. I said the arcade we are going now. Get all stuff together, we are going to care.
Man, what are you standing around for? Let's go play some games together. I try to understand it. But your brother and your sister. So unrelated, all unrelated? No, they're not related, but they're related to me. It's kind of complicated. There's no blood ties between them. They're really close, huh? Kind of remind. They've known each other since they were kids. O'Shane. O'Shane, what's wrong? Come on, go play some game.
No line one. Shock how you big up and you grow now and now look by you. Surprised you even have a girlfriend. You know man never have no girlfriend in Canada.
Come on, bro. That's in the past now. I'm good now, man. I'm different. I'm more like you guys. I'm like you and Dad. Like a better version of you both, I guess.
What's your man more better version?
Well, alone handsome though, we can say that.
Can't believe you're going back to Canada. Why don't you just stay here, bro? Can't you, like, work remote?
That's the plan, but I have to set out something first before we can do that. Plus, I still have local money left back from my grandma leave for me. Well, a good man.
Why would you want to live here willingly? It doesn't make any sense to me. Better than fearfully live foreign. More money, right?
Once you have the brain in a mind, you can live anywhere comfortably, you know. I'm more be surrounded by the people that I love and care about.
Does sound like a stupid idea to me. That's all I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I understand some most people feel that way, but no one goes through I'm happy. I think that's the best part of life. Enjoying it, you know. Not just existing, but living.
Oshin, what's going on with you? Are you upset because your mother gone back a foreign? What's bothering you? You can talk to me now. I won't judge about anything. Trust me. What's wrong? Do you feel lonely?
I'm fine, Diana. I'm perfectly fine. I'm just thinking about you.
Oh God, Oshin.
Don't give me that look there. What you try to say to me? You don't have any feelings for me at all, Diana?
Oshin, you're a child. May a big woman feel. What feelings you talking about?
Here we go again. So it's just the same thing, right? Sorry, I'm the idiot. Sorry.
But telling you, know, I don't know why I don't want to hang out with that boy for. Like him lick him head or something. Him actually think that Diana would want to be with him. Like, come on.
I don't think this has anything to do with Diana. I feel like something's going on with him. He just don't want to talk about it.
Trust me, there's nothing wrong with him. Him just feel like sitting entitled to every woman why him catch him hype on. I don't know why you feel sorry for him, Oliver. I don't even know why you hang out with him for. He's just like Shauna.
I feel like Oliver kinda right though. I feel like something is bothering Ocean. I mean, from what he haven't really been himself.
What the hell is wrong with the two? Why don't you feel sorry for this boy for? The same boy will go around in a school and sleep with every single girl? Like, what is there to feel sorry about? Like, Oliver, he was trying to look your sister. Like, you should be upset. I mean, him passing in boundaries. I think the two of them need to move on and stop thinking about Ocean. Who is Ocean, eh? Come on, we'll talk about something else. I'm just so tired to hear about him. Like, he's not even worth a thought to think about.
You do know him live by himself, right? His parents are always working. He's always alone. Imagine if that was you.
Marsha, we all have problems in life and we don't behave like Ocean. I don't see what your issue is. Like, yeah, me get to say you like him, but what, you think he's gonna be your boyfriend? No, I'm just going to sleep with you and left you like I'm do everybody else.
You know what? I'm really sick and tired of you. You're such a judgmental bitch, Susie. And you think your life is so much better than everybody else. Like, you're not perfect. You know what? May I go home? I can't deal with this.
I think you two are taking this too seriously.
You see what I'm talking about? Him of her so damn brainwashed. Look at her.
Susie, we
What
should get
you
inside.
talk to her? She don't listen.
Come on, man, let's get inside.
Sorry to come in on you so unexpectedly. I've just been kind of worried about you. Just wanted to check if you're okay.
Yeah, man, we're good. Just there, chill, you know. So what's going on with you? Is everything alright? Your parents okay?
Yeah, man, them good. Daddy devil, and we just want to come keep you company.
Yeah, don't have to do that, Marsha. Be alright, man. Don't have to worry about me.
You always say that, but I actually always worry about you, Ocean.
Alright, you can stay if you want, but I'm not really doing anything interesting. Just drinking and stuff. If you want to do that, it's up to you. Not force you. There's some on account if you want it.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll take a drink.
Sorry about the mess. I've been busy. Didn't have time for clean.
No, it's fine. Doesn't bother me.
Yeah. Oh, you remember the painting there? Yeah, it's one of my favorite. It really capture you really good. I mean, your skin tone and everything. It uses them, you know.
Ocean, are you alright?
Honestly, there's a lot I'm going through, but I don't know if I can talk to you about it. Maybe not now. Maybe later on.
Alright.
Come on, you stop worrying about me, alright? I'm fine. Don't kill up yourself or worry about me, okay?
I just don't want anything to happen to you. Or, you know.
Nothing not gonna happen to me. Alright?